choose your soup. Mr. Messy, you must always cover your mouth when sneezing in the presence of others.
Sorry, Mr. Fussy. That one snuck up on me.
Very well. Perhaps these
Full of your stinkiest cold cheese soup, please.
Clearly something here is making you sneeze. Maybe it's the bread.
Don't think so. I use a loaf of bread for a pillow, and this never happens.
Maybe it's the butter. Maybe it's Mr. Tickle.
But I can't tickle from over here.
Nope. Something else is making me sneeze.
The tablecloth?
Mr. Fussy, would you like a tickle?
No, I would not. What I would like is to have a civilized dinner with civilized companions with whom I might enjoy a delicious cold soup. That's it. I have tried.
The occasion.
Sweet Henrietta, get rid of that filthy tie at once.
You definitely need a tickle.
No.